Eastglen community. We are coming up to one of our favorite times of year, where grade 9 students select their high schools for the coming fall. We are so excited to bring you our virtual open house on February 23rd, but we have a lot coming up before then for you to check out as you consider your high school selection. Here are some things to look out for over the coming weeks. Firstly, we will be releasing 2 video series. The first is called What is High School, and weekly episodes will begin next week. This video series will cover everything you need to know about high school generally, from how courses work to how to apply. Our second video series is called Explore Eastglen. This will detail all of the amazing things Eastglen has to offer and will give you a glimpse into the life of an Eastglen student. We will also have a virtual school tour coming out, as well as our activities for open house itself on February 23rd. Stay tuned for more details. We can't wait to answer all of your questions over the next few weeks and to assist you in your journey to high school. If at any time you have any questions, whether general or Eastglen specific, please feel free to reach out to us. You can message us directly on Instagram at Eastglen High School, or you can email us at eastglen@epsb.ca. You can also call us at 780-479-1991. We look forward to sharing with you all the things that make Eastglen an amazing place to be, and to supporting you as you explore Eastglen.